my name's Brooke with WTI. Do you ever have soreness or pain in your neck and shoulders from carrying your purse? I do, but with Montana West leather purse, I definitely don't have that pain. This is amazing. I can carry this on long trails and I don't feel any pain at all. It's almost as if I'm not carrying my things with me. That's how comfortable these straps are. They're beautiful to look at. I love this design. I love that this color of leather can go with any style. You can dress it up or wear it casually. The zippers work without snagging, and this is a very durable purse that is easy to maintain because it's the vegan leather. And all these pockets have come in handy for me. I love putting my phone in here, in here. I can put my wallet in here. I can have a pocket for my key, a special pocket for other items that I might want to carry with me, and then a pocket in the back here, and there's even a pocket all the way hidden in the back. And there's two little slides right here you can stick your items in as well. So there is all the pockets you need for keeping your phone scratch free and keeping your keys in its special place. So you want to be organized, comfortable when you carry your things with you. Also look stylish. Well, this is the bag for me. I love this and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.